lot of screws and stuff. Look at all this stuff in here. Holy crap. Interesting. I might have to go through like a build guide for these. So many things. These all tadpoles. So gaskets, it looks like, or something. Tadpoles, tadpoles, tadpoles. I don't know which one's which. I'll have to look it up. I don't know which color's which. So these are the things we need. And then the keyboard. I'm actually excited to see this. This is jammed in there in real life because I've only seen pictures of this. Let's see this thing. Ooh, this should be interesting. Oh, look at this side profile already. It gets that little bit of a koala curve underneath. Ooh, this is looking already pretty hot. Interesting keyboard. Look at this. I wonder what we can pair with this today. Let's take a look at the underside of this board as well. Oh, this is cool. This is definitely pretty cool. Yeah, it's definitely a wide boy. I really appreciate this on the back too. I don't know why. The Geon logo looks so good on this. Tadpoles 50. Okay, 50, orange. Okay, and pink is the high. Okay. Def unique layout. I'm thinking maybe lighter keycaps. That's for sure. I think that would be appropriate for this keyboard. So I guess first things first. Developed with Black Simon and Yonkar. Wow. Sam, yes, it says over here. I really appreciate even the inside. It looks really cool. Very, very cool. I'm excited to build this. Side profile. Side profile looks really nice on this. It has a subtle koala curve on the bottom there, but it's your standard kind of like wedge design, just with a bit of a curve on the side, as you guys can kind of see. I'm gonna put this to the side because this is just so big. Like, this is kind of gigantic. Moto Light actually might look good. Are Geon generally worth the money? I'll put it this way here. I'm a big fan of all of Geon's stuff. The only keyboard that didn't like wow me, but still was like completely good and completely like a lot of people still love it, was the Frog. So I would say for the most part, yeah, I'd say a lot of people like Geon keyboards. Stabs might be a pain. I think this might be the thinner one. This feels like it's a bit thinner. And oh yeah, this is probably the thinner one here. What did the client send over? I think these are regular ones. Let me double check with the client. I don't know, I've always been the 1.2 mil PCBs are fine, but I don't know why, I just like my 1.6 mil PCBs. I really, really do. Oh, is this for flipping things over? Like doing this and then flipping it? No, this is not a plate. Is that what this is meant for? I see. What's this thing? I want to see what all these things are. I'm curious. This is some piece of foam that goes on the inside, I'm assuming for contact, which we probably don't need, and these are all just assembly plates. It's a plate you break off after soldering, used for alignment. Ah. I don't need that. That seems more difficult to me. I'm gonna do it my method, which is, I'll show you guys. No, I'm not saying it to be Chad. I'm just saying it just seems like more complex than it needs to be. Okay. It looks like we got everything like pretty nice though. So everything's soldered in. We modded all the switches for anyone who's wondering what kind of stage we're at here. Now, time for the keyboard. And then I have no idea what all these screws are for, but we'll find out. In case you want to top mount it, is it? Look at this keyboard, guys. Look at this thing. All right. This is gigantic. It's kind of daunting, actually. The bottom's really nice. I really like the bottom. It has a good booty. Okay, let's see. Let's unscrew this. That's long. It is. That's a keyboard. A very long keyboard. Thank you guys again. How's the heft? It weighs a lot. I don't have an exact weight for you guys, but there is definitely some heft happening here. I like this little koala curve on the bottom. This is kind of nice. Oh, that inside is so pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. Pink is 70. 70 might be a happy medium. Let's see what these feel like and sound like first, and then we'll swap out if necessary. I also like how they didn't put a contact point underneath where the space bar is. That's pretty cool. Do we need this lining on the inside? I'm gonna put it in just in case, because it shouldn't affect the sound at all. But in case it does reach contact, I don't want it to short. Unfortunate because the bottom is so pretty. Let's put this guy here in. Yeah, really for yeah, it's just more for contact. So if anyone's wondering, we're putting that sheet in not for sound or feel or anything. It's strictly just for contact. Oh, that is a nice cable port there. That is really pretty. The Geon, dude, I'm telling you, Geon's little logo works so perfectly there. Let's go. Press feet are so nice. So much better than adhesives, dude. Adhesives, to me, if I can avoid using adhesives in a build or just not have to use adhesives, I'm here for it, dude. I am absolutely here for it. Okay, let's use fundamentals. Fundamentals seems like it would be a really nice fit on this board. Okay. For those possibly getting the Zoom TKL, what switches would you guys pair up with it? You know what? I think the Zoom would actually work with just about everything, depending on what plate you go with. All right. Is the key mat gonna fit this? Nope. Oh, dude, this is kind of neat looking. Hold on, let's go to a notepad real quick. Oh, I like the way that this might be my first Tadpole keyboard I actually really like. So we're using the hardest Tadpoles that it came with, which I believe were 70 or 80A. All right, let's try this. It's with seal switches. They've been spring swapped to 62.5 gram TX springs. They're also filmed in lube with 205D0. And then we are using some GMK keycaps. It is a plateless build. Actually, I still want to adjust this ever so slightly. I'm gonna go back in and adjust that. Just ever so slightly, I wanna adjust it a little bit more. Or maybe it's okay, maybe I'm just tripping. Let's see what this sounds like. Oh. Wait. I really like this. That's really nice. Okay, let's get the desk pad. I'm just gonna grab any old desk pad that I have. I wanna see what this sounds like with the desk pad because I'm actually like floored by this right now. All right, let's see what this sounds like with the desk pad now. That sounds so good. Dude, that sounds amazing. This deserves 10 sucks out of 10. This looks great. This turned out amazing. This turned out actually so good, dude. I think I'm just gonna go in, like I said, I'm gonna fix up this one key. It doesn't want to seem to like be 100%. It could also just be the way I'm clicking it too. I'm gonna go in and just touch it up a little bit more. But yeah, I'm so happy with this. This turned out so good, dude. I am really happy with this, dude. This turned out so damn good. This is plateless, yeah. I might have to go for extra on this. I legitimately want one of these. The layout's really cool too. Let's take another look at the layout. The layout's really pretty. Look at this. We used a 1.6 mil. I'm telling you guys, like, I don't mean any disrespect to anyone going for 1.2 mils or anything like that. I'm telling you, standard, no flex cut, 1.6 millimeter PCBs sound the best. By far. 1.2s are fine, like, with no flex cuts, but like, they're not as full sounding as like a 1.6. Like, it's so nice to have the like standard stuff. You know what I mean? Like, the flex cuts, like all these meme things that have been happening to like, I get it. If you're into like the typing feel more than the sound, but I'm telling you guys, you can still get a great feeling sound, great feeling keyboard with 1.6. And no flex cuts at all. I'm like low key tired of seeing flex cuts. I'm high key tired of seeing flex cuts and everything. Not everything needs flex cuts. I think if you want it to be flexy, just get the mounting system right. Like do like leaf spring or something. 1.6 mil, no flex cuts, dude. I'm here for it, more please. Really nice though. I'll talk to you guys later. I love you guys. Hopefully we all have a great day today. Thanks for the good times here and peace out everybody. Love you guys, bye.